Hi, my name is Cindy Evers and I will be your presenter today. Today we are going to review the standards required by YWM for the creation of file directory trees on your C drive and on the network drive, which is the J drive. We will use the C drive as an example for the presentation. What I would first like to do is click the Windows icon in the left hand corner, and then we will click the computer icon, and on this screen you will see that there is the C drive right here. So we'll double click this. Right now there are directories that are already been made, and most of these are system directories. The first directory that we're going to make is going to be a directory that will hold financial data. So what we're going to do is we're going to right click here in the screen. We're going to go down to New, go over to File or Folder, and now we've got it highlighted. And what we're going to do is we're going to call this Financial Data, and we'll also put the year on the folder so we know the year that it's created. So we'll call this Financial Data 2012. As you notice, I've capitalized the first letter and I've capitalized the second letter, and that would be one of our standards we'd want to do, is capitalize the first letter of every keyword. Now we're going to go into financial data, and in here we're going to put balance sheet information and we're going to put income statement information. So we're going to create a directory that's going to hold balance sheet data. So we'll right click and then we'll go New, and then we'll go over to File Folder, and now we're going to call this one Balance Sheet, and we're also going to put the year that it was created. Now the reason we're putting the year that it's created is because we want to be able to purge these documents, and we have to have a 7-year retention. So that's why we're putting the year. So now we're going to do an income statement one. We'll go to New and Folder. We're going to call this one Income Statements. Okay, now that we have these two folders created, we're going to the balance sheet, and in here you could put like balance sheet information for multiple companies, but then it would be very disorganized. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a directory for a company called Janice Company, and in Janice Company, for the balance sheet information, oops, cancel, go to New, Folders. Okay, and we'll call this Janice Company, and we'll also put the year at the end of this one because we want to know when we can purge this. So now in this area here we can actually put balance sheet information and work papers that pertain to the 2012 balance sheet. So now what we've got here is we've got a tree which holds all of our information. So as you right here we have the C drive, then we have the financial data, then we have the relevance, the balance sheet 2012, and then Janice Company, and then in here we'll hold documents. Let's see. Stop.